Hey editor, I was just thinking about something the other day. Why do so many editors grind for hours, obsess over flashy effects, and still struggle to land big clients or charge what they're worth? Now, if that's you, I get it. I've been there too. A few years ago, I was editing nonstop, pulling all-nighters and hoping someone would notice my work. I thought if I could just make my edits flashier, I'd finally start getting the opportunities I wanted. Spoiler, it didn't work. Here's a problem no one talks about. The issue wasn't my effort or even my skills. The problem was that I was focusing on the wrong things. It wasn't until I discovered one simple shift, what I now call the human algorithm. Everything changed. Clients started chasing me instead of the other way around. Guys, my rates skyrocketed from $100 projects to $1,000 per edit. And I went from barely scraping by to securing $4,000 a month retainers. But here's the crazy part. This had nothing to do with fancy VFX or trying to hack the YouTube algorithm. Instead, it was about understanding what truly makes people feel something when they experience your editing. When viewers are hooked emotionally, everything else, views, engagement, client success, falls into place. But most editors are stuck focusing on the flashy stuff that looks cool, but doesn't actually give results. Every editor these days is basically a CGI artist, churning out edits packed with effects just to keep up. But that's exactly the problem. None of the pretty stuff matters if your foundation is flat. Clients don't stick around for edits that look pretty, they stick around for edits that emotionally impact the audience. That's why so many editors are struggling to stand out, attract big clients, and charge what they're worth. Over the next few emails, I'm going to show you how this works. I'll break down the exact editing strategy that helped me work with creators like Will Tennyson, who has over 3 million subscribers, and Jeff Nippert, who has over 6 million subscribers. This strategy helped me earn over 500 million views across my projects and turn editing into a career that gives me freedom, not burnout. Starting with tomorrow's emails, something very personal. Y'all have a good one.